Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now, we don't really have a cook here right now, we are going to eat something. So what I want to do, I want to show you. This, we are doing a little review and a little taste testing of the Jamaican Escovitched fish. The video is on the channel prior to this one. So now, I've gone ahead because you know we had more and some has been eaten out of it. Now what I want to show you, let me tell you something. These towels have all been engulfed with the Escovitched with a pickle. What I want to say to you, that video was preparing the Escovitched fish. That's what we did in that video. Now, this is the Escovitched fish. It has been cured for over 12 hours. 10, yes, it has been cured for over 10 or about 10, going 12 hours. So this now is the Escovitched fish. This is it now. After that cured process, it is now Escovitched fish. So we want to turn them over, yes. We're going to turn them over. We had a few more, but you know I did it for my family. So some people had. This is one of these are at the bottom. I want to show you. Yep. It stood the test. That is why you have got to, the very first thing is to fry the fish, a firm nature fish, real crispy. And as I told you, pink parrot, snapper, ground goldfish, you name them. Trout, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you think trout, please say it in the comments below. And some more you can name them. So this is what it looks like. It has this nice glassiness on top of it, yeah, and inside here, this is it. This is what everybody crave for, this pickle thing here. It is no Escovitched. All these fishes, they have been cured, they have been saturated in this Escovitched pickle. This here is the Escovitched. Yes, the carrots have stood out, the onions are there, and the fish, them dead there. This is now the authentic Jamaican Escovitched fish. So this is for you all. I'm gonna have some tough crackers here. Hands are clean, you know your hands must be clean, and a few crackers. And you can serve this with some rice and peas. You can serve this with festival. Yes, you can serve this with fried bami. And the festival video is up from scratch. We have the fried bami, and you can serve it with the bami. You can do the bami fried and then steam. And I'm gonna do that video for you. After the bami has been fried, it's come back and steam. Oh, that one is thebomb.com. So there you have it. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your American, to your Surinamese, to your Canadian, to your British, to your Trinidadian kitchen. This is the traditional Jamaican Escovitched fish. Enjoy, y'all. No, I'm done. I'm going to teach you how to eat this fish. Y'all are afraid of the pickle. Some people, they want to eat it, you know, but they're afraid of the pickle. Watch, I'm going inside and I'm going to get out a piece. No, the fish is cured. Look at the flesh of the fish. Eh? Look at it. Cured fish. This is when it becomes Escovitched fish. Afraid of the pickle? I'm going to show you how to do it. Take up your pickle, try to eat around the pimento seeds. This is some pickle, and this is a piece of pepper. Open your mouth wide. Don't let it catch your lips. That is the way to eat it. Open. If you're sushi, you're not going to be able to eat this thing, you know. You're going to burn up your mouth, you know. Open your mouth wide. Do not let crunchiness, I hope you're hearing it. Do not let the pickle touch your lips. Now, this is the flesh. If you love fish head, please to comment. I love fish head. Every single part of this fish is engulfed in this Escovitched thing from start to finish. I hope that has cleared everything. And go now. Make your Escovitched fish. Remember, choose fish that are of firm quality. Make your Escovitched fish. I know you have liked it, so I'm not going to say if you have liked it. I know you have liked it. So please subscribe to the channel. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Remember to leave your comments below. And remember to go check out the Jamaican Debbie Debs. It's my other channel on there. We're doing a lot of things with Jamaican outside of the kitchen. Yes, a little kitchen, but not in depth. You know. And all these Sunday dinner, journey and breakfast, we're taking them over there. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's the authentic Jamaican Escovitched fish. Enjoy. Now, I'm going to leave you on this, and we'll check out the video before where we have prepared the fish. The two prior videos to this one. Frying off the fish one, preparing the Escovitched pickle, and all of that. Now, remember, please subscribe and leave your comments below and thumbs up the videos. So again, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. Debbie from Dongayal, I'm going to start out this fish. Bless, no stress.